Dear friends, welcome to Tech Nursery. In this video, I am going to explain an error which I got when I was working in a React project. I will read the error message. A template was not provided. This is likely because you are using an outdated version of Create React app. Please note that global installs of Create React app are no longer supported. I got this error when I execute the command create React app and my app name. It can be anything. You have to give your app name. When I execute this command, I got this error. Actually, I have already installed my create React app in my system globally. It is available everywhere. But from 5.0.0 version onwards, create React app version 5.0.0 onwards, they don't recommend to use global installation of create React app. Instead of that, you have to always create React project by executing this command npx create React app my app. This is our project name. It can be anything. It should be the project name. So by executing this command, always we are using the latest version because we are using npx here. So always we will use latest version of create React app to start to create this project. So instead of creating app with this command, which will cause this error, because of this command we will get this error. Try to use npx create React app my app. Your problem will be solved. This is compulsory from version number 5.0.0. Create React app version number 5.0.0 onwards. You have to create your React app with this command npx create React app my app. If you have already installed this create React app globally in your system, you have to uninstall it first. In order to uninstall it, you can call this, you can execute this command npm uninstall -g create React app. So use this command to create a new project if your create React app version is above 5.0.0. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.